In this video, I will show you how to use AI to turn a scrappy piece of audio like this
Okay, so this is a test audio recording.
into a studio quality professional level audio like this.
Okay, so this is a test audio recording.
And the tool that I'll be using in this video is called Podcastle, and you can find a link to the trial page in the description. And also, this tool works great for your videos. But without wasting any more time, let's dive right into it. So to start enhancing your audio with AI, first head over to this page called podcastle.ai, and you can find a free trial link in the description. Then just sign up or log in, which is my case because I already have my account. Then once you have logged in, you're going to see this personal workspace. And here's where you can start enhancing. So just click on new project and choose between video and audio. For example, I'm going to go with audio. Then you can either record audio, generate speech, or import files. And in my case, I'm going to import files because I have already done the recording. Then I can just drag and drop these recordings here. And there is our recording. And right now, all I need to do to improve the audio quality of this one is that I can right click here and click on the Magic Dust AI feature. And on the right bottom corner, you're going to see the Magic Dust AI in progress, and it's actually already complete. So I will first play you the original audio clip, and then I will play you the enhanced audio clip. And don't worry, I'm not going to play these through entirely because these are like 30 seconds in length. So I just want to show you what's the difference here. So let's start playing.
Okay, so this is a test audio recording that I'm doing through my headset while I'm driving by holding my iPhone like half a meter.
Okay, so that's the original clip. And then let's scrub to this new AI audio enhanced clip and let's play it.
Okay, so this is a test audio recording that I'm doing through my headset while I'm driving by holding my iPhone like half a meter away from my face.
That sounds entirely different. So this original piece of audio had a lot of noise in it. The voice was scrappy. It didn't sound professional at all. It sounded like something that has recorded or has been recorded like 20 years ago. But then this new one, although it didn't sound quite exactly like me, but it was very close. But nonetheless, this new clip was epic. So it sounded like it almost was recorded in a studio. So that's what I love about Podcastle. So it can take even like the worst of the worst pieces of audio into something that sounds almost professional or completely professional audio. And obviously, as you saw, it's not just the audio dust feature that you can do, but you can also do noise reduction. For instance, if you have recorded something while you're driving or if there's a lot of background noise in the recordings, you can do auto leveling, so you can make the audio level consistent across your podcast episode or whatever it is, so that there are no like silent parts and then all of a sudden there is a spike in the audio that scares your audience away. You can do that, and you can also remove the silent parts. So if you have a recording where you have sections, for example 15 seconds of no talking, it will automatically cut those out. And you can apply all of these by literally just clicking on them, and once one of these effects have been applied, then you can right click again and you can apply the new effect. And at the end of the day, you will end up with all those 4 effects enabled. Let's actually go back, because in this project right here, I have already enabled every single one of these effects here. So I have the Magic Dust, which improves the audio. I have the noise reduction, auto leveling, and silence removal. And actually, let's play this first clip where there are no effects at all, once again, so that you can easily compare.
Okay, so this is a test audio recording that I'm doing through my headset while I'm driving by holding my iPhone like half a meter away from my face.
And now let's play this clip where you have all these effects enabled.
Okay, so this is a test audio recording that I'm doing through my headset while I'm driving by holding my iPhone like half a meter away from my face.
And as you can hear, there's quite a bit of modification going on in that audio clip. So it didn't really sound like me that much anymore, because the AI is smushing the audio in all different directions. But What is impressive is that it got rid of the background noise, and also it made it sound as if it was recorded in a studio. So it clearly sounded like something where I was talking close to a microphone. But then some parts you have those noises, I don't even know how to call those or what is the name of those noises, like some kind of audio artifact. So that almost sounds like something that is produced by some automatic AI tool or something like that. So I'm not sure if I was able or if I would be able to use that audio clip, to be brutally honest. But then again, I don't really know if it even makes sense to use all those AI features in one go, because that intuitively already sounds like something you shouldn't do. So perhaps you could use the magic dust feature, and perhaps you could do the leveling at the same time, but I would not recommend trying all those features in one go in one audio clip, especially if that original audio wasn't that great to begin with. But this is actually not all, because you can also process videos here. So if you head back to your personal workspace, you can click on New Project and you can click on Video Project. And then you can drag and drop a video into the view. So for instance, here is a video that I recorded this morning while I was driving to the office. Alrighty, so this is a test recording that I'm doing while I'm driving. And now what you can do here is you can also apply these similar effects on your video audio as well. So you can click on the video here, and then you can click on this AI Enhance feature or this option on the right hand side here. So this will allow you to apply these video effects. For instance, you can improve the video quality, you can force eye contact, and you can also do cinematic blurring. But then also you can do these audio effects. So you can, for instance, tweak this magic dust AI audio enhancer, and you can do the noise reduction as well as auto leveling. So let's actually apply all of these and let's see what happens. And there we go. So now let's play this video.
This is a test recording that I'm doing while I'm driving. You hear all the background noises.
Alright, so that's actually a bit of a bummer. So I think this particular video confused the AI somehow, because of the iPhone that I recorded this with is also doing some audio enhancement in the background. But nonetheless, this audio didn't sound like me at all. It sounded like 100% robotic. So yeah, I would say that the Magic Dust AI audio enhancement feature doesn't really work that well on those iPhone recorded videos that I, for example, record while I'm driving. But that doesn't mean that the features would all be irrelevant. So for instance, let me show you, or let me play you some of these video clips where I have reduced the noise and leveled the audio with Podcastle. Alrighty, so this is a test recording that I'm doing while I'm driving. You hear all the background noises. Alrighty, so this is a test recording that I'm doing while I'm driving. You hear all the background noises. Alrighty, so this is a test recording that I'm doing while I'm driving. You hear all the background noises. So that's pretty cool. The AI was able to completely erase the engine background noise while I was driving. But now that I actually think about it, this was perhaps a bit of a bad use case for me, because if I was making a video while driving a car, I would probably leave the car engine in the background, because that makes the clip more authentic and realistic. But that being said, that was just there to show you how powerful Podcastle is and how easily it can remove even loud background noises completely out of the picture. So if you have a clip where you have unnecessary and unauthentic background noises that you don't need, then use the noise leveling and noise reduction features of Podcastle to get rid of those. And I wish there was a feature that allowed me to, very similar to how you can, for example, tweak the opacity or tweak the scale, I wish there was a feature that could do the same for this AI enhancement. So for instance, if I have all these enabled, I wouldn't like them to be fully enabled, but I would like to have them, for example, half enabled. So in that case, the audio would sound a lot better because it would sound more like me. But that being said, I think that the video feature, it is still developing, but the AI audio enhancement feature that I showed you earlier, that is epic, because that will turn your absolutely low quality pieces of audio into professional studio quality audio. And then be it your video or your audio, once you're happy with your results, all you need to do is click on export. Then you can choose for example here, you can choose the video quality and click export. And once the video has been exported, click download, and this will download the file for you. And this is how you use Podcastle AI to improve your audio.